There are a lot of maple trees. I think they used to make maple syrup around here, so you have a lot of maples. Look up. Okay, we're with friends. We're with a friend and his dog, and they have a beautiful dog right here. Oh, the dog found a stick.
Yeah, this is it.
Hey.
So he knows the place, huh? Yeah, he knows. Oi, oi. Happy boy. Happy boy.
That's a good shot. Now he's off to another place. So this is the party part of the trail, because yeah, I guess people hang out there. So I'm way behind the others now. I am getting tired. I am not a very, you know, nature-y girl actually, but city folk. The trail ended and I've got to find my way through it to a trail. So this is like when you go out of the hiking thing, the actual park part, and this is like a little park where you could just sit and relax. So this is Newmarket. There's a baseball diamond and there are a bunch of farms. So a more rural part of Canada. Farms. Corn.
Young corn. Ah no, later we will develop the beach.
That's Willow Beach.
We go back from here.
Yeah.
Beautiful beach. Yeah, and then we go to Lake Simcoe. Jackson Point, first cottage country. Che cazzo, we are in perfect. Now we put the car somewhere.
The lake is like that
Where do
way.
we have to go?
That way.
The old towns are...
We got sweet potato fries. They're really good at this pub. I mean, like, really awesome. It's a beautiful place. It's a really beautiful place. Hi, we came to Port McNicoll and we just randomly picked a place today and just drove north. And so this is north of Barrie and a bit north of Barrie. And yeah, Port McNicoll. Near Midland, the Midlands. And there's a town called Wauwaushene. I think that's how you pronounce it. So this is what it looks like right at the port. They have this huge ship. And there's a harbor, train. I mean, just like we're like seriously randomly going north. Okay. Across the lake, There's actually a town there. I have no idea.
But you don't navigate anymore.
Nope.
Even with the small.